Regain your independence. Hello everyone. Today's topic, how to get a prosthetic leg for free. This isn't just about gaining mobility, but regaining your independence without the financial stress. Whether you or someone you know is navigating this path, stay tuned as we cover everything from understanding prosthetic legs to accessing financial help and more. Understanding the importance of prosthetic legs. First, let's talk about the role of prosthetic legs. These aren't just tools, they're gateways to restoring independence and quality of life. Prosthetics help individuals overcome physical limitations, engage in daily activities, and even participate in sports. But there's a catch, the high cost. Not everyone can afford these devices, especially those who are underinsured. That's where organizations like the Limbs for Life Foundation come into play, offering much-needed support. Exploring financial assistance options. Now, how does one get these prosthetics without breaking the bank? From government aid like Medicare and Medicaid to nonprofits dedicated to helping amputees, the support is out there. Private insurance might cover some costs, but often additional help is needed to cover the full expenses. It's important to investigate these options, understand what each offers and how you can access these resources. Navigating the application process. This is where preparation meets opportunity. You'll need to gather documents, proof of necessity, and maybe even a medical prescription. Submitting a well-prepared application to the right places, like state vocational rehabilitation agencies or nonprofits, is your next step. Remember, each program has its criteria and deadlines, so pay close attention to these details. Empower your journey. To wrap up, acquiring a free prosthetic leg is indeed possible with the right knowledge and resources. While it may seem hard, the impact on your life can be profound. Thank you for watching, and remember, you're not alone in this. Reach out, explore, and take those steps towards a more independent and fulfilling life. Curious to learn more about the incredible world of prosthetics? Visit isbrave.com, your ultimate resource for all things prosthetic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss our updates. See you in the next video.